This is automatic laser welding machine for making the jewelry chain. First, the machine should connect to the 220 voltage single phase power supply. How to turn on the machine? First, we switch on the circuit breaker, which behind of laser. Circuit breaker, switch on, and turn on the main power switch. Turn on the key. System is start. Charging, open, confirm. Around 40 seconds, the system will be ready and the ready LED indicator will be lighting. Well, it's ready. And yes, and press this red indicator. And this is focus head. This head must assemble to the chain making machine. And this is the sensor. If you want to change the spot size, you can open this screw connection, and there are fiber connector. You can move front and back just slowly to check the spot size. Because you have different diameter, the jewelry wire from 0.15 to 0.6. And how to close? This for setting the parameters. This is pulse duration. If you welding 24K gold, this must be around 3 mm to 4 mm. You can try. And this is the peak power. You can increase. And for the 24K, the setting energy around 9 June to 12 June. The frequency no need setting. Just keep 000. You only need to change the peak power and the pulse duration, the millisecond, and turn off the machine. Just change to close. Press this button, close. And stop. Yes. It's turned off. Just like this. Now we check. This is the cooling systems. It's air cooling, and when you change new fresh water, this for drain the water out. This is a temperature sensor. It's water level, and we must put the DI filter. I just make the DI filter is screw connector to the inside of the water tank. This is the water pump, and this is the water level switch. The water must over this switch, water limiting switch. Thanks for watching.